Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a gradient background in Photoshop. So first of all, you have to do is select the gradient tool from this panel. Once selected, you can go to the upper panel and select some presets. For example, there are some basics, some blues and purples. If I go to greens, you can see green gradient. If I select any gradient from here, I will just click on OK. Now I have to draw a line, so I will left click with my mouse and add a gradient. As you can see, I have now created a gradient. To modify that gradient, what you have to do is go to Windows and enable the Properties tab. As you can see, there are the properties. From here, I can select subject. I can do different things. I can do adjustments, libraries. So I can adjust the angle of my gradient. For example, this is another angle, this is 60-degree angle. I can modify the angle, I can flip it. So from there, if you want to change the color of your gradient, you can also click again to the upper side and you can select any gradient if you want. If I want to select it to purple, I will go to purple and click on OK. And I have to draw another line from top to bottom. As you can see, now it's changed to green and purple, and that's how you can make gradient background in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.